CNH acquires advanced farm boosting robotic apple picking. CNH Industries has just picked up something sweet, literally and figuratively. They've acquired the assets for intelligent property of Advanced Farm, a startup known for developing robotic apple pickers. During the 2024 harvest, the robot was put to test in Washington state orchards and the result, a crisp success. The system performed just as hoped, helping solve a growing issue, labour shortages in agriculture. A CNH spokesperson said the move strengthens the push into agtech, enhancing both efficiency and reliancy in the industry. And they're not just taking the tech, they're also bringing on key members of the Advanced Farm team to join the CNH's innovation division. Advanced Farming CEO Carl Abbott admitted the investment climate hasn't been kind to the agritech startups. Selling the IP was a tough call, but ensures the work and the innovation lives on. So while we might not see farmers replaced by robots just yet, it's clear the orchards of the future are going to be a whole lot smarter. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.